Hi everyone, Marwan here again, and today I will be quickly unboxing K2 V2 and doing a quick first impression of this keyboard. And this is a mechanical keyboard, and this is my second mechanical keyboard. Those who watched my earlier video unboxing and doing a first impression of K3, I did sell my K3 to get K2. There was no specific reason. I did love K3. It was very minimalistic keyboard, though this is also 75% layout as compared to K3, but K3 was lighter and K2 is slightly heavier and has aluminum frame, has more solid look to it, I would say. And let's go ahead and see the pricing, the model I got, and also the once we unbox, we're gonna go through together and see how it is. Guys, so before we go ahead and unbox the K2 V2, we're gonna just go through the pricing options available on the website. So there is white backlight, there is RGB backlight, and there is RGB backlight with aluminum frame. Now each adds up, so it starts with $69, and if you select RGB backlight, it comes up to $79. And when you select RGB backlight with aluminum frame, it adds up another $10. It comes up to $89. The one I selected is with RGB backlight with aluminum frame, and I went with the brown switch. And whichever switch you select, there is no additional charge for that. So as you see, the one I have right now, the one I ordered and I received and I will be unboxing today, is out of stock. So I do not know when this will be available, but if you are interested, please do sign up, like here, notify me when available, and once it is available, please go ahead and place your order, and they go away very quickly. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox the K2 to show you, like I showed you in my previous video when I did the K3 unboxing. The packing is amazing. I thought it was just for the K3 version, but I guess this is the standard. Whenever you order a Keychron keyboard, this is how it comes in. This is amazing. Thumbs up Keychron for this one. Let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, fine. So this is the box. We get the standard keys, paper as standard. This sponge. You get some additional keys if you want to switch to Windows. We get the USB-C cable. Get the standard key remover tool. Okay. You also get a notebook, standard guide, this comes with K2, K3, this comes with this is standard cover for everything, every keyboard you order. Okay. To be honest, this is heavy and it feels solid, as you can see. Alright. Okay. These are the additional keys. Okay, you get the alt, you get the additional escape, alt again, and then you get the light changing. Alright, we're gonna deal with them later. this is the USB-C cable. As you can see, not bad. Okay. Alright, so this is the K2 V2. Like I said earlier, I sold my K3 to get K2. There was no specific reason. I just preferred this one better for no specific reason. I just saw this and I liked it. I just wanted to switch, play around, see how this one is. Alright, so this one is also 75% keyboard layout with 84 keys, like you can see here. So there is additional layer on the top. You want to increase brightness, F1 to F12, and there's and this amazing aluminum frame which you pay, I think, additional $10 for. It is totally worth it. It looks amazing. All right, so this is suitable for all the devices. It works with Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, you name it, and it can be connected to 3 devices at the same time. All right, and this has 3 switch options like I showed during the pricing, that choosing whichever switch you like doesn't cost you additional $1. And also this is the brown switch, so maybe they should add something that this is a brown switch, but the only way you can know is if this is a brown switch if you remove a button, a key. You're gonna see below there's a brown color. I'm gonna show that later when I change the light color to the orange, the light key to orange key. All right, so that's there. And then this has a USB-C connection, so this can be connected while using USB-C or Bluetooth. And this has a 4000 mAh battery, so that's a huge battery. I don't know, maybe I'm gonna be charging it once and it's gonna last me almost a month, depending on what RGB lighting I will be setting up to. This one has 5.1 Bluetooth in it, and the RGB, so this one has, like, I'm gonna show you what RGB options this one has. And this is aluminum frame, you see. All right, and this one includes the Windows and Mac layout key caps. All right, and let's turn it around. So I think one of the reasons why I bought this has multiple options, incline options. So this is one, and then there is another here. So I think this is around 9 degrees if I'm saying it right. If you guys know, do let me know in the comment section below. But this is how it is, and this is how it is when it plays. It is slightly tilted, which is what I prefer. And let's go ahead and turn this on. So there's one key for cable, off, and Bluetooth. Let's go switch to Bluetooth. And then there is Mac OS or Windows. So I'm gonna be using this for my personal laptop Mac, and work Windows, and mostly with Bluetooth. So let's keep it on the Mac OS for now. And this is how it looks. So I think you guys will not be able to see the lightning. I'm gonna switch off the lights and do a light test. Okay, all right, so let's do the RGB lightning test. So this is how it was, and if I keep pressing it, it's gonna keep changing in this. So there are many RGB options to switch from, and I just love it. So I guess paying extra $20, 10 for the frame and 10 for the RGB lighting is totally worth it. I would recommend go with the RGB lighting. Okay, so coming back to there are 3 types angles which I showed you. So there is one the flat one, and there are two others which I just showed you. And there's a, okay, let's go back. So there's a dedicated caps lock here, and maybe there was a special indicator for when the caps is on, but I don't think so there is. But in K3 there was a red light when the caps was on, but I guess that's out. And this one is looped stabilizers, so this is already looped, I guess. And if you guys know something about the keycaps being looped, do let me know in the comment section below. So this is this, and I guess this is amazing. So let's go ahead and do a sound test for the brown switch and see how this is. All right, guys. So this is fairly quiet. I would say this is quieter than my K3. So I really like it, and I'm gonna stick with this one for a while before I switch to any other Keychron keyboard. Let's go ahead and change the, so this is what it comes with. You just put it in, hold the key, hold the keyboard, and just it comes out. And it is damn easy to put the key back in. Just hold the key the right direction and just press this, and that's all. It goes. And the color, the RGB lighting on this one is amazing. Before I was a little bit hesitant to order the RGB lighting. The color it gives me a headache looking at changing different colors, but I'm loving it, and I would recommend everyone, if you have extra $20, to add it and get the frame and the RGB lighting. And thank you for watching my video, and if you like my content, do subscribe to my channel. And